Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make money from free samples. Yes, free samples. Samples of items that you may or may not have ever used, but people are sending them to you, you're using them, and you're making money. But how do you do it, right? That's probably what you wondered. You've probably seen websites like this. Now, I'll put a link to this one down below if you want these free samples, go get them. And yes, I do use these samples. So one of the things I've never really talked about is how do I get products? And when I get the products, what do I do with them? Well, one thing that I do when I get samples, and I get samples every single month, okay? I went on to a bunch of websites, and this was many months ago, probably a year or so ago, where I went on to a bunch of different websites, just like the one I'm going to show you. And again, I'll put a link to that down in the description box below. It might look different at the time, who knows. But I go to these different websites, and I put in my email address, and I fill out the information, fill out my name, where I live, stuff like that. And they'll send me samples, and it usually comes like once a month, maybe every couple months, depending on how I fill out the little questionnaire. So let me show you this. So get free Burt's Bees samples. You got the lip balm, the beeswax, coconut, the boot cream, all this stuff, okay? So I'm not going to go over that. But if you look over here on Amazon, okay, Burt's Bees lip balm. So if you look here for this one, the multi-pack, a bunch of different flavors, you can see it's selling for $8.44. You can see there's some $8.44, $8.44, $9.86 over here, $4.49. But the whole point is, this stuff is selling on Amazon. It's selling really well. But how do you make money? Okay, it's selling on Amazon, but obviously you're not getting a cut of that. But you can. Here's what I want to show you. One of the things that you probably noticed is I create a lot of YouTube videos. You're watching this one, obviously it's on YouTube. So one of the ways I make money, not here on this channel, but on other channels that I have, is I do reviews. I do reviews on little products, things that I have, you know, an Apple Watch, keyboards, technology stuff, fitness related stuff, tools for like construction, home renovation, stuff like that, home improvement, but also do free samples like this. Now, I don't say, hey, this is a free sample that I got, but I do say that, you know, this is an item that I want to do a review today, and it's called the Burt's Bees Lip Balm Collection and Review, okay? This right here, from Mama Reviews, she has 1,300 subscribers. Not a lot, but that video that was done over 2 years ago has over 39,000 views. Now, if she put a link from this video back to Amazon, let's say out of the 39,000 people, let's say, you know, 5% of those people clicked on her link. Let's just go over those numbers really quick. So here we go. Pull out my handy dandy calculator. So 39,000, okay, times 0.05, 5% of people clicked on that link. Okay, so 1,950 people. Out of those 1,950 people, Amazon says about, let's say 10%, okay, times 10% of those people actually bought the product. Let's say they bought a product that was $8.44. Okay, so let's go back over here. So 195. We'll just round up 200 people bought the product. Okay, so $8.44 times, I think you get paid, let's say 5%, 0.5%. Okay, you get 42 cents times 200 people. So you would have made $84.40 from this one video talking about this one product that you got for free. So it's a free product. All right, let's subtract our costs. There we go. There's our costs, and we still have $84.40 in profit. Pretty simple, right? And you can do that with a bunch of other websites. There's another website. I love free samples. You get Tide, Dove, Glade, and these aren't the products you're probably going to get. Probably not get a whole big thing of Tide, but you can. And let me tell you how you go about doing that. Do you know if you call or you email companies that sell Tide, sell Kleenex, sell candles, sell fabric softener, okay, that sell, you know, food products. Maybe it's a new coffee flavor that maybe they sell a new juice. Maybe it's like a Kool-Aid packet. Things like that. You can call or email these companies and tell them that you've been thinking about buying this product, but you'd really like to try a sample. Do they have a sample product that you can try? And most of them will send you to their whatever department that deals with it. They'll get your name, your mailing address, all that stuff, your email address as well, and they're going to send you a product. It usually comes within the next month. All you got to do is call or email. You look on the back of some products, it'll say for a free sample, or if you're not happy with this product and would like a refund, please call or email or call or whatever it is, okay? I don't know the whole jargon, but it's on a lot of products. A lot of products give you 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy with the product whatsoever, you call the number on the back of the product and say you're not happy, and they're gonna probably ask you for a receipt or where you bought it, how much it costs, stuff like that. Or they have just a generic amount that they send you. Maybe it's a $10 product, they're gonna send you $6, $5, because that's probably what they sold it to the store for. Okay, or the store bought it from them for. Okay, so just understand that. Now, let me show you this. Okay, so I talked about Tide, I talked about Dove and Glade. Okay, let's say I want to do a Tide Ultra Stain Release review. If you can read this, it says Tide Ultra Stain Release and then the original. Okay, so here I am on YouTube. I'm going to do a review. Okay, I'm going to go over to, like this person right here. It was done 4 years ago. As the like and dislike ratio is pretty bad, so I'm guessing he didn't do a great job on this. But Tide Ultra Experiment, okay, by Adrian Joseph, 19 subscribers, 401 views, 4 years ago. Talks about how it was produced and got his video. Okay, one of the things I would do is I would do something a little more close up, like this one. This one looks good too. Okay, and you just want to make sure, and this is done by Tide, okay, so you probably follow what they did, do something very similar, and you'll have very similar results. But the point here is you come over here, you do a video review, whether it's on Tide or it's on this Burt's Bees lip balm, okay, or it's on something else. Maybe you don't want this. Maybe you're getting some cologne or whatever, okay? You can do that as well. You can do a cologne review. Let's say cologne, Giorgio Armani, whatever. Okay, or a Versace one, doesn't matter the cologne, doesn't matter the brand. People are going to look for it online, and where they can come for a good review, something that they can actually watch, listen to, and get the honest feedback, probably YouTube. Okay, that's why I recommend YouTube over any other platform, because you can sell here. The nice thing about this, let me come back over here, this one, is if you like the product, maybe you show before and after of like 2 weeks of using the lip balm. And before your lips are extremely chapped, and then 2 weeks later, they're nice and smooth, perfect, looking lips. Whatever it is, nice plump. I don't know what you do. But like this one right here, before and after. The lips are looking a lot better. My guess is, being that the color, the contrast a little bit different. Okay, the lips are looking better here. Something like that, done 10 months ago, 807 subscribers, has over 3,500 views. And if you link to the product on Amazon, you can sell it. All right, it's that simple. Now, in order to do this, you will have to go down to the very bottom page on Amazon. So you come all the way down here to the very bottom and click on the button that says become an affiliate. Once you do that, you can now start to promote some of their products. Maybe you're going to promote this 12-pack because you use one every single month, or just so that you're not using the same thing for an entire year, or you give some to away to people, whatever it is. You can promote that to people. You can show or tell them, this is what you need, this is what I recommend, this is what Burt's Bees recommends. They recommend you change it out every so many days or so many uses, so many months, whatever it is. I don't know all those things, but that's the point I'm trying to make, is people are going to buy this not just because you recommend it, but because other people are recommending it as well. They might click on it and see there's 1,000 comments that all say, oh, it's the best thing ever, best product ever, the best thing I've ever used, okay, things like that. And so then other people are going to sell them on the product, not just you. So that's what I recommend. Now, if you don't know how to create a YouTube video, it's pretty simple. Take out your phone, put it in front of you, hit record a video. If you have an iPhone, you got iMovie. What that means is then you can edit the video right on your phone, and then you can upload it straight to YouTube. One of the things that so many people struggle with when creating a YouTube video is they think their video is bad. Look at my video right here. Okay, I'm shooting this on a webcam. Okay, it's on a webcam. It's not the best quality. The sound probably isn't the best quality. Background is boring. I blend in with the gray shirt. Sitting on an office chair. Nothing on the walls. This is what I want you to understand. It's all about the content. It's all about the content that you put out there. If somebody really wants a review on Burt's Bees lip balm, they're going to listen to you because you're holding it, you're showing it. If I'm talking about it right here where I am and not using it at all, is anybody going to listen? Probably not. Now, if I was doing a voiceover of people using it, a voiceover over the top of maybe pictures or clips of people using it, holding it, showing the product itself, it will get some sales. But when you can get the free samples, okay, again, go get the free sample. Put in your email address. They'll probably ask you, a few questions here. I don't remember exactly what it is. Again, I'll put a link to this one. I'm not going to put a link to this one. You don't need links to all of them, but just go to Google and type in free samples and put in the brand name. Again, this is a good one right here, so go check it out. But that's the whole point. Once you have the product in hand, you have the sample, you can then go and sell it by creating a video, creating a little a short video. It doesn't even have to be long. This one's 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 12 minutes, 8 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 10 minutes, and a minute and a half. So you get the point. It doesn't have to be extremely long. It just has to get to the point and do a review of that product you're holding. It's that simple. So again, if you're looking for a way to make money off free samples, this is one way to do it. Now, a lot of people get all the samples and then they sell them in bulk on eBay or things like that. And there is some places it's okay, some it's not. Some people would say it's a gray area, it's kind of illegal. I'm not saying doing that. What I'm saying is use the product yourself. Sell it. Okay? Promote that product. Sell it. Get them to click on the link over to Amazon. Okay? Get them to click on the link over to Amazon. They will then go and buy that product or hopefully more products, and you get the commission. Even if it's a small percentage, it's still something, all right? Over the course of a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years down the line, if people keep on clicking that button, keep on buying that product, what you're going to see is your commissions and your income keeps going up. So, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you want more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.